I'm Emil and welcome to Schmiedmann. In today's video I want to show you this awesome sport seat which is made from leather and in alcantara. The seat is an original BMW sport seat and it fits the BMW F82 M4 and the BMW F82 Coupe and the BMW M4 GTS. It has a carbon back which helps makes it lightweight. It only weighs around 5 kilos or approximately 11 pounds. This seat will help give your interior a very sporty look and you definitely won't be disappointed in the comfort of the seat. Only the best seats for the best cars. As always, welcome to our world of passion for BMW and MINI. And that was it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. I'll see you in the next one.